So it actually sounds a little bit different, like in the later parts of the month. Yeah, it sounds different. It's a little bit louder. It's really good in shape unit. So yeah. I don't know if this will ever happen, but maybe I'll show you like some of the vents in her house. It's from 2013 and it's a 2-ton. Gemtech. It's a 13 seer. Stop the rattle there. I don't know. There's a sound my dad's air conditioner makes every morning when it just like first turns on. I think it's because it might kind of sound aligned with the and everything. So but yeah. Sounds pretty good for right now. So yeah, I was a start up and run of it. I already got a startup shutdown this like kind of like the spring summer. I already got a startup shutdown on the first day of June. It's not a well edited one, but it was a startup shutdown earlier this year. Then I got a start up and run. And then the start and run again in September. So yeah. So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching, and over and out.